when you purchase your mesh box, it comes flat like this. So the first thing you want to do is unfold your box, and you're going to notice that there are metal latches on both sides. So you can clamp one side down and make sure that you get it secure there, and that way that starts your box shape. We're going to leave the lid open for now, and I'll show you why in the next step. The next step to decorate your box is you want to pick out some ribbon depending on your preference with your holiday decor. We're using a bright red and white gingham, and at the Incredible Christmas Place we have a ton of ribbon options. So pick out a ribbon, then you're going to cut some ribbon. For the magic of TV, we have pre-cut ribbon to match this box size, and we have a variety of the mesh boxes. So depending on the size that you get, you're going to cut your ribbon. So this is our first, and this is the piece that's going to go under your box. This is going to wrap around the sides, and you're going to leave just a little bit here. And this is where you would take your glue gun and glue here along the edge and here along this edge. So this is going to give you that piece of ribbon that makes your box look like it's wrapped on the bottom. The next is we're going to take a short piece to go along the top, and that's going to give you that long, looks like that long piece of ribbon along the top of your box. You're also going to glue that along the edges here of your mesh box. So you're going to have those two pieces of ribbon. Then for the last piece, to give it that illusion of the box that's fully wrapped, you're going to have a longer piece that goes all the way around. So when you measure this piece, make sure your box is closed so that you have enough, let me move this here, to go around to the lip of your box. And you're going to glue again along the seam there and along the seam there of your box. So there is your ribbon. Now that you have your mesh box wrapped with your ribbon, we're going to attach a bow. Now, if you aren't great at bow making, we do have bow makers on staff here at the Incredible Christmas Place, so you can give us a call if you want us to provide you with a bow. But we have a big, beautiful bow here. This is going to go on the top of our mesh box. So I don't know if you can see it here. There are some holes in the ribbon that we've made so that we can poke through our chenille. So your ribbon is going to be all tied together with the chenille sticks right here. So you're just going to poke those through. So now you can see that we've pulled the big bow through the top of the lid with our chenille, or AKA pipe cleaners, here, and you can secure it, you can twist them. If you want to put lights in your box like this one here on display, you can secure some of the lights to your chenille so that all of them don't fall to the bottom and the whole box is illuminated. So that would be your finished product. And you can take a smaller piece of chenille and just cut your pipe cleaner and run it through the top of the lid and the side of the box there to secure your lid. So there you have your finished mesh box. We have a few examples here because we offer different sizes. So this is the smaller version, and we have some gingerbread men on there, super cute and festive. And then if you really want to get more fancy and decorative, we've included berries and twigs and beautiful poinsettias on the top. So it's really limitless what you can do with these beautiful boxes. But when they're in the store and they're flat, maybe you can't see the vision of what they're going to turn out to be. So they're gorgeous. All you need is some ribbon, some scissors, and a glue gun. You can make it just like this.